When Margraves charged at Nasser.
So what happened? You didn't get around to it when you got home?
Yeah, something like that.
3 officers tackled Margraves before he could get to Nasser. He was handcuffed and removed from the courtroom. For NPR News, I'm Rebecca Cruz.
I didn't see that. I'm gonna have to look for that.
Hello? Hey, look. What's up, bro?
Living up to its name. Latest government numbers out today showing this year's flu season continued to intensify last year.
Yeah, I told you know. Learn that Bobby, like I blocked him because I feel sorry for her. I don't want to curse at all. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to. When I got that paper yesterday, my heart dropped because I said I know that it's, you know, it's gonna cause a little problem for right now, but it had to be done. I'm not trying to knock her out of nothing. That was just said, y'all, you two bitches, Lisa. And you just don't know how much I had to hold back not to do that. I don't do that no more. That's done. I don't feel like that's necessary. So I don't want to do that no more. I'm not trying to get myself upset and stressed over Bobby and her craziness. I'm just trying to help Mama. Mama, you know, Mama begged me. She keep calling me crying about her money, and I'm tired of that. And Bobby act like she don't understand that. So when I went over there, cause I kept trying to talk to Bobby. I'm like, Bobby, do something. Show Mama how much money she got. I'm tired of y'all trying to tell me what to do. I'm doing it. I've been doing it for 25 years. And like, well, yeah, you've been doing it. You've been doing it your way. You're not doing it the right way. So, I mean, what's so hard for her to get the bank paper and show Mama how much money she had? She just didn't want. She just wasn't trying to, you know, make Mama feel happy. And that's all I'm trying to do. I don't want Mama money. Bobby had Mama money for all them years. Ain't nobody said nothing. I was fine with it, you, everybody. But when, you know, it started coming down, Mama kept saying that. And like me and Lisa, we kept saying, well, something ain't right, because why she doing that to Mama? Just because Mama's sick, that don't mean she take advantage. But that's what she was doing. So I'm just going to get Mama. I don't want to do it either. I asked you to do it. You said no. Dennis too scared to do it. Yeah, I'm tired of hearing it too. It's just done. I mean, if somebody else wanted to do it, they could have did it. But I had to do that for Mama. Because if if she not here tomorrow, at least I could say, well, I tried. I tried to help Mama. But if I wouldn't have done that and something would have happened to Mama, it would have been haunting me for the rest of my life to hear her crying, saying, y'all need to help me. I want my money taken from Bobby. It's not Bobby and money. It's not none of our money. She keeps saying, y'all taking stuff from me. Mama don't have nothing. She calling Glennery, all that stupid crap. Mama ain't got nothing. Somebody need to let her see that. Something wrong with Bobby. Something's really wrong with her brain. All Mama got is that check. She got that apartment with that old furniture in it. That ain't nothing. She ain't got no money in the bank thanks to her. She don't have nothing. Ain't nothing for nobody to fight over. Glenn Parents had money in the bank. They had a house that's supposed to have been split up with all the children. Mama don't have that. And I kept telling her, because Lisa was saying, Bobby ain't paying Mama insurance right. The people called Lisa and told her we haven't gotten the paper. And she know Mama need her insurance. Nobody ain't got that kind of money to come up with. So I called the people. I told the man that we need to set up a meeting so me, you know, 2 other people could be added to the thing to make sure she do what she supposed to do. But for some reason, girl, I think Bobby must have told that man, I'm the only child. No, don't put nothing. Because Lisa said she said that. She told Mama, I'm your only child. That's what pissed me off. And I went and did that. I surely did. I'll tell anybody. I did it.
It had to be done.
It had to be done. I don't care if she